Привет, друзья! Some of the people, when they gonna travel to Russia, they think that it's the third world country, it's not safe here, it's really difficult to find different items, yeah, so like local people are poor, and here are like some bears, yeah.
Все сюда пришли! Ну-ка, марш отсюда! Марш! Марш сейчас отсюда!
What they tend to find is the opposite, at least when it comes to large cities. Stores are everywhere, filled with everything you may need and much more. The shopping malls are so huge and so accessible that you simply won't find anything similar in an American city. Transportation is extremely easy. You can either take the subway and get to any point in the city in less than 40 minutes for 85 cents. Also, you can download a taxi app like Yandex or Uber and get a cheap cab, usually around like $5 or $15. The cities feel extremely safe. There are security cameras everywhere, a lot of security guards and a visible police presence. But even beyond those extra safety measures, there is simply no sense of danger anywhere. There are barely any homeless people or psychos on the streets unlike, say, Manhattan or downtown Los Angeles. Russians dress to impress, look slim and fit, and generally act very carefree. A foreign tourist, unless they're a stylish type, will feel a bit under stress walking around downtown areas of Moscow or St. Petersburg. And there will be expensive luxury cars everywhere. Restaurants are of a very high quality, and you can have an upscale meal at half the cost of the same meal in Europe or the United States. There are Starbucks and a dozen other coffee shop chains all over the place. Even fast food places like McDonald's in Russia feel much more upscale than they do in American cities, and the service is much better and a cheaper cost. Of course, Russia isn't a paradise. There are many poor regions, poor people, and especially when we talk about rural regions. But when we talk about normal tourist experience, I can tell you won't be upset when you will come here. So leave a comment for me and tell me what do you think about traveling to Russia. И скоро увидимся. Пока-пока.